Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your iPad and accounts. Make sure your iPad runs the latest iOS and has enough storage. Close background apps to free RAM. Sign in to your Apple ID and enable Game Center so game data syncs. Next, pick a delivery method, a cloud game service that supports Fortnite or remote streaming from your PC. Once chosen, install the matching app or web client and log in. This gets you into the setup flow fast and avoids wasted steps. Now you configure the client and input. Install the cloud gaming app from the App Store or open the provider's Safari web client. Allow microphone/screen permissions if prompted. Sign in with your Epic Games account or the account linked to the cloud service because progress ties to that login. Pair a Bluetooth controller or configure on-screen controls. Make sure latency settings are on the low or balanced preset. Once done, choose Fortnite from the library. Check resolution and bandwidth options and start a test session. You're at the finish line. Launch Fortnite and run a quick match to verify controls and performance. If input feels delayed, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, reduce other network traffic, or use an Ethernet connection on your PC if streaming remotely. Make sure your controller battery is charged and remapped correctly. If the game won't start, re-log into your accounts, clear the app cache or browser data, and restart your iPad. That single troubleshooting step often resolves session or authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.